So you want proof this really works? Watch closely. On my Mac, Nuke opens with no trial limits, no errors, and I can import a video and play it back smoothly, fully functional. But before you get excited, here's the golden rule. You must run the RLM server every single time before opening Nuke. Skip this step and the software simply won't launch. Now, why is this such a big deal? Because Nuke is the industry's #1 compositing tool, powering blockbuster films with Hollywood-level visual effects. Normally, a license costs over $10,000 a year, which puts it far out of reach for most creators. But I'll show you how to get it completely free. Inside my Telegram community, you'll find the direct DMG download, a step-by-step guide with no ads, and hundreds of real creators already running Nuke successfully on their Macs. The link is in the description and pinned comment. Click it, grab the files, and join the community today.